today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, guys, what the heck is actually happening right now to Bitcoin and to Ethereum? Let's talk about that. I will talk about my trades. My trades, you can actually see right here, my Bitcoin and my Ethereum trade. Bitcoin trade almost $500,000 in a profit. Ethereum trade almost $100,000 in a profit. And my other Bitcoin trade also $50,000 in a profit. The question right now obviously is, what are the next moves for Bitcoin and for Ethereum? What are the price targets? And as always, what the heck is happening right now? Let's talk about that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I truly appreciate your support in good times and bad times. And now, of course, if you are a subscriber to the Crypto channel, it's good times for you because these trades are raking in some massive profits. Of course, let's see whether it is going to continue or not. Well, let's go straight into the charts. Here we can see Bitcoin right now, and this is the daily candles for Bitcoin. I have to say, this parabolic line is slightly readjusted, right? But as you can see, this wiki, I was always telling you, we need a volume supported close below the parabolic support for us to say, hey, we have to get cautious. The parabolic trend is probably breaking. Yesterday, after breaking higher, we went down and people were going crazy, starting to panic, starting to scream, Chris, close your trades. Well, hold on for a second, guys. Hold on for a second, because usually before inflation data is coming out, people are starting to sell and in anticipation to that event. And once it comes out, whether it's higher than expected or lower than expected, that's actually, let me quickly go here straight into it. That's actually when the relief comes. And you can see it here. The Dow Jones even ripped higher, even though the inflation is lighter than expected. That means, of course, there is inflation. The dollar is dipping down. That means assets are appreciating in value as they are measured in US dollar. Now the question is, what is the next target for Bitcoin? What is going to happen next for Bitcoin? Well, we already broke this trend here towards the downside. And actually, as I said, I am expecting this one to hold, at least most likely. When we are breaking it, I will update you immediately over on Twitter, on my Twitter channel. What I want to see here right now is a daily candle breaking, and we are close to it. Not only the previous daily candle right there at approximately $24,300, no, the very previous one at $24,500. The moment Bitcoin breaks $24,500, there is a whole lot of nothing under the volume support, and I would see Bitcoin actually jumping higher to $27,000, $28,000 pretty quickly. Another way to draw these lines is, of course, as a rising wedge. So sooner or later, one of these have to break. And I want to tell you, yes, I'm long. Yes, I'm bullish. That doesn't mean if Bitcoin is breaking below 22,700, you should not get cautious. Obviously, we should always be cautious, as the price target of this rising wedge is 19,200. However, I am right now still in my long positions. You can see it right here. And I am keeping them open. As I already said before, I have strong hands. Well, in the end, maybe that is a mistake. But as long as the trend is going on, as long as the trend is my friend, I will keep these trades open until the very end. Also, Ethereum, people are asking me actually, what is happening to Ethereum? And before I am answering this question and also tell you exactly what are my next price targets for Bitcoin right now, I would like to ask you, dear ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this video, if you are getting any, wow, I'm sweating AF, any value out of these videos, please take your time, take this 1 second out of your day, go down below, like the video. If you feel comfortable with it, comment, share, whatever you do, it helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that these videos are relevant. Thank you very much for your support. Now, let me actually switch back. Man, it's freaking hot here. Let me actually switch back into the chart. And what you can see is that Ethereum is actually performing even better than Bitcoin. So if Ethereum once again is acting as a leading indicator, it already broke the previous daily candle. Well, that only means good for Bitcoin. After Ethereum actually breaking this head and shoulders pattern towards the downside, reaching the price target of round about $1,000. We broke out of this ascending wedge, reached the price target, and are already going higher. For Ethereum, I am targeting, if this run towards the upside is continuing, 2,400 roundabout. Let me show you actually the fib level. $2,405, as you can see it here at the first fib level. This is what I'm targeting, and below, slightly below, actually pretty much, let me quickly go back, pretty much below this price level, I will be taking my first profits on Ethereum, and pretty much below the price level of $28,000 for Bitcoin, 27.5 approximately, I will be taking my first profits on Bitcoin. This is actually my trading plan right now. And if you want to be trading as well, in the pinned comment section down below, let me actually go over. You get a $10,000 bonus by clicking these links. Click number 1, register number 2, deposit number 3, takes 1 minute. You get a $10,000 bonus. I have to say up to a $10,000 bonus as a deposit bonus using these links down below in the pinned comment. However, be experienced, do know what you are doing, otherwise do not start trading. It's beautiful, it looks easy as I'm doing it, but it is not always that easy, I can tell you that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly appreciated for every single one of you. I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much for all your support always. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.